Hello everypony, I'm here today with a small casting call for a fanfic read-in named The Cough. This is a grim, dark, short fanfic read-in, so if you don't like that kind of stuff, then don't audition. I'm gonna be naming the characters that I need people to be auditioning for. If you're here and you want to audition, so here are the characters. Number 1, Twilight Sparkle. Number 2, Rainbow Dash. Number 3, Fluttershy. Number 4, Applejack. Now, Applejack is a kind of minor character, but the other ones are kind of major. So yeah, Applejack doesn't have that many lines, so if you don't want to say that many lines, then you should get her. So yeah, that's one thing you should know about. Alright, and I am going to be needing an artist. Only one artist, if I can get someone to do the art. Because I kind of want an artist, because yeah, if you want to be an artist, and it doesn't even matter, you can use vectors or whatever, it doesn't matter. So yeah, I need artists. Now, I'm going to be reading the rules, and there is a quite ton of them, so if you don't want to read it, then you can listen to the rules right now. Number 1, I accept WAV, MP3, and AIFF audio formats only. You may put your auditions on YouTube and send me the YouTube video through email. But remember, if you get picked, you must be able to send your lines in audio formats that I named already. Number 2, you may audition for as many characters as you wish, but remember, each person gets one per role. Number 3, if you are part of the fight song that is still in process, you are welcome to audition. And just to let you know about the fight song, I sent everybody a update on what's going on through email. I'm not going to be saying it to people that are just waiting for it maybe. So yeah, that's something quick. Number 4. When you read your lines, please only read each line once. You can record the line several times, just edit it down. If you get casted, you can read your lines 1 to 3 times more. Number 5. Please send each character as a separate sound file. They can be in the same email. Number 6. When labeling files, label it like example. It'll show up on the screen. The cough _ rainbow dash _ YouTube name, or just name. Number 7. You must have good mic quality. No background noise like people talking or animal noises. Make sure to go in a quiet, small place before recording. Make sure your doors and windows are shut or closed. I can deal with fuzziness, static noises, since I can edit it out. Number 8. If you get picked, you must be dedicated. Please do not try to quit. This time I will be given a due date for lines when casting results are put out. There will be understudies this time, just in case if someone is sick or drops out. But if you get to be an understudy, please don't get too excited, since the person that gets casted most likely will send their lines in, hopefully. And the reason why I'm saying this time is because of the fight song. So yeah. Number 9. All auditions must be sent to gumball.ok.123@gmail.com. Due date, June 16, 12:00 a.m. Eastern Time. I know my email is kind of weird. I am going to be getting a new email because I don't really like this email, and my email is full of a lot of stuff. So yeah, if you guys think you sent the audition to the wrong email, then you can comment below and tell me if, just in case, if I got it, and I'll tell you if I did. Number 10. Good luck, every pony. Have fun. Now, that's it, I guess. Now, I know that's a lot of rules. Lots of rules. Artist rules. There will only be one artist. That's number 1. Number 2, send me 3 to 5 pieces of your art. It can be anything. Number 3, send your art at gumball.ok.123@gmail.com. Yes, that is it. And I know that's a lot of fumble jumble. And I'm trying to make this video more shorter since my last casting call video was so long and boring. Yes, that's it. And I hope everybody has fun, and this is a grimdark reading, just to remind you. And I know a lot of people did this reading already, but I want to do it since it's short and sweet and simple. And it's going to be my first one. And yeah, goodbye everybody, good luck!